Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to save my marigold seeds. So here you can see these marigold plants which I started from these seeds which I saved last year. So I'm going to cut a few blooms which are done now and they have faded. If you live in a dry climate, you can let these stay on the plant as long as possible. So they are really nice and dry and then you can save your seeds. But I live in a very wet climate and if I leave them on the plant, they will get moldy. So I want to collect them in time when they are fully done and they have faded. So I keep collecting the flower heads which are done blooming and they started fading, and I keep them in my greenhouse where it's nice and dry so they can finish drying off there, and then I collect my seeds. So here I am going to pick all the blooms that are faded now, so this way the plant produces more blooms for you and you can use the blooms which are faded for collecting seeds. Again, as I said, if you live in a dry climate, you don't have to do it. You can leave them on the plant and when they are fully dry, then you can collect them all in one go. So here you can see the blooms which I collected earlier, like a couple of weeks ago. They are fully dry now and I can harvest the seeds from them. The others I have just picked today, so I will let them finish drying off in my greenhouse. So this way I keep collecting my marigold seeds throughout this season. So to harvest the seeds, I hold the seed pod really tight between my thumb and index finger, and very gently I pinch off the faded petals with the other hand. So the seeds don't come out but the petals come off, and then I can take the seeds out really easily. So this way they keep nice and clean. If you try to do it some other way, the petals can get mixed up, the chaff can get mixed up, and then will be a real pain to separate them. So this way, if you hold the seed pod really tight, the seeds stay in there and you can pinch off all the petals and clean the head and then open the seed pod and the seeds come out really easily. So you can see these seeds are really nice and mature. If the seeds are not mature, they won't be black. So these marigold seeds have like two parts. One is like feathery part and the other part is black. The seeds which are not fully mature, they are not black, they are like white, cream or yellow color. So you are looking for the seeds which are nice and black, nice sized seeds. So this way you can collect as many seeds as possible. There are hundreds of seeds in one seed pod, and basically you can collect lots of marigold seeds from your own garden. They are really easy to collect and basically you can give them to your friends and family. You can grow them in your garden in containers or in big drifts in the landscape, so they look really beautiful like a sea of gold. And I really like the marigold plants. They are easy to grow, they have good germination rate, and they bloom for you for very long time throughout the season, and basically they are really versatile plants. They have lots of benefits in a vegetable garden too. They deter pests and they are good companion plants. So I have got a full playlist about growing marigolds. So I will include a link in the description box. So if you're interested, you can check out and you will find all the information you need to know about growing marigolds. So here you can see I have collected my marigold seeds. So the way I told you is really easy, and that way you don't get petals and chaff mixed up with the seeds, so they stay nice and clean. And now you can store them in a paper bag or in a ziploc bag, and make sure to label the bag with the name of the plant, name of the variety and date, so you know what you have got in there. And you can store them in a cupboard where it's nice and dry and they keep well for a couple of years. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. You can also join my channel for extra perks. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.